It's a nice bright sunny day out here. Man, looks like we in a new development here. They actually, I guess they're in the process of putting the foundation down for this house, but we gotta come get this 80 size excavator. It's a BOBCAT E85. And this specific one does have a breaker attachment on it. So assuming they were breaking up concrete, asphalt, whatever, we can get in the foundation prepared to put a home here. So I'll save that. And we're ready to start jamming now. So do is we'll hop in here. Safety arm down. Pick up on the breaker attachment. Alright. And then pick our shovel up. This is a good opportunity to spin the tracks if you can. Get a lot of the dirt. Watch my back, make sure nobody's coming behind me. Oh snap, my broom fell. Hopefully I didn't run all over it. Thankfully I didn't. That would have been bad. I'll get that. All this here. Alright. Let's resume. Too far. Okay, so now I'm going to use the breaker attachment to grab the bucket and make it all one. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up. Against the shovel here, and then back up on the trailer. A little bit. I definitely was. Machine, I can pretty much tell, because this is offset to the right, so I can pretty much tell I'm dead in the middle. But with the 80 size machines, I can look at the board, and as long as I'm within an inch of the edge of the trailer right here, from the board to the steel, I'm pretty dead on center, and I'm happy with my position now. So what I'll do is drop that. Making this a little bit harder on myself. There's a fine line. There it goes. Okay. As far as the bucket, I can move that myself. Granted, I have the machine here. I could have just put it there, but I can put this where I need to myself, I think. In terms of have it sit up here. And see, I know y'all say tuck the boom up and I can push it all into itself, but if I do that, the top of the boom is going to be higher than the cab, which even with that, I don't think that I'll be over height. And I can check it with, I do have a height stick, but my rule of thumb is if I can get the boom lower than the cab, or at least same height, I'm always good. I'll never be over height, or I shouldn't be over height, should I say. And I have peace of mind, so that won't go in anymore. Take the key out while I'm here. Close this door. Good to go. Oh, let's get this trailer picked up and get this baby chained down. All right, so we got that taken care of. I'm gonna use 2 jet hooks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook this side, and then I am going to hook this side here. Then I'm going to cross it back here. Now, with this, you know, I could go to the outside. I could use these, bring one here, bring one there, do the same on the other side. But in my mind, it's more or less just a straight back pull than it is getting any angle. So needless to say, it ain't gonna slide anywhere now. You got rubber tracks on the wood, but it feels wet. It'll have more, feels wet raining outside and the deck was wet, it'll have more of a tendency to want to slide. At which case, this much of an angle, I'm not going to say that it's not doing anything, but I feel much more comfortable and secure with it pulling from the inside of the machine to the other side of the trailer. And then what I'm thinking is do this on the fly. Alright, we're back here. Get this taken care of. There's since been an updated change, so that's small, nothing to be concerned with, so I won't interrupt or like I won't hurt the cylinder here. Okay, and then let me just go grab these chains while I'm back here. I'm gonna have to grab those 2 binders and then 2 more binders. So 6 binders in total, and I should have her. So 1 over the breaker here. We'll come over here like this. Wow. Prefer the side with the hook on it. Boom. And then take this. What I'll do is I'll set it right here. And when I tighten it down, should pull it back into this bucket itself. I had to rethink that. That's my plan right now, but we'll see. Actually, I might be able to get away with this. I might be able to get away with this right here. May not be a need for that other chain, or for this chain, so to say. And it doesn't seem like it will be. Nope. But I will need 1 more binder for that. Let me take care of this side, and I'll know for sure. I just eliminated the need of 1 chain. I didn't really do less work because I still took that chain out. Now I have to go put it back. But I do have to get 1 more binder while I'm over there, so I guess it's tight. Get 1 more crank there. Got my chain here. what y'all seeing in real time is how my brain works with this stuff. Not everything is one-on-one. Not every day is the same. And even if you grabbing the same machines, sometimes it is cookie cutter, you know what I'm saying? One-on-one. Sometimes you have to switch it up, adapt to certain situations, and make it happen. That's all it's about. Put that in there. Ain't bothering nobody. So let's do one final walk around. It's pulling into the throat of itself. These are crisscross and tight. Okay. Boom. Boom, that's tight. Now we know that this is tight. Definitely drag that. So it'll rain. Wouldn't nobody even know that happened. What it was, you can see this little piece here. That was just me. I should have been a little bit more mindful. Pick the bucket up as I was taking it on the trailer. If it has the bucket on there, usually don't have that piece, so that's something that I'm not usually worried about. But again, gotta pay attention to those little things there. But didn't really mess nothing up. Nobody's hurt. They won't notice. It'll be okay. This stuff off, and we'll be ready to roll.